and welcome. Thanks for joining us. Tonight we're at Magical Family Funhouse, located in Champions Gate Resort. So come along with us as we check this home out. This home has 9 bedrooms, some of which are themed, 5 bathrooms, your own private pool, game room, and a theater that is out of this world.
Before we start showing you some of the bedrooms and the game room, let's show you some of the other features of this home. So right here we have a wonderful kitchen, and look at these shelves in place of the cabinets. It really just gives you that open feel, which is really great. And just over here, we have a nice living room area, complete with an LED fireplace and a big screen TV. And just over here, a dining room table large enough for the whole family. And just outside, we have a Finding Nemo themed pool area. This is really nice. You have your own private pool, complete with a hot tub. Just over here, you have a nice little table set for you and the family to come out and have dinner in the evening or daytime or whatever's best, along with another one right over here and a big screen TV.
So we're gonna check out the first bedroom. It is down here on the left, just past the kitchen, right by the front door. And this bedroom is so charming. It even has a sign above the bed. It says, "Adventure is everywhere." And you even have your own bathroom, so it's perfect.
And we'll exit the first bedroom and head right over here into the game room, and check this out. This is really awesome. You've got an arcade game, and you have an air hockey table, a basketball game, some Dance Dance Revolution. Right over here, you've got a gaming system set up, but then check this out. The lights go out and everything glows, including the aliens down on the floor.
Now we're gonna head out of the game room. We're gonna come down the hall and into our next bedroom. Look at this bedroom. It is so quaint. You have a nice big bed and then some beautiful lamps on the side so you can do some reading at night. And then if you come into this door, you have your own bathroom with a nice sized shower and a great sized tub. You also can walk through this door and you have access to the pool outside.
Before we head upstairs, we have one more magical bedroom to show you on the lower level. So right here under the stairs, well, I think it's no mystery what this bedroom is. Look at this. This is a Harry Potter themed bedroom under the stairs, just like Harry grew up under. And there you have all sorts of different, it's like shelves with his books, and there's Dobby, and here's some brooms over here too. We'll head up the stairs, and as we do, I just want to take note of all of the little sayings that you see as you head up the stairway. Very cool. I love that. That's so awesome. From the stairways, we'll take an immediate right, and we'll head into this bedroom first, which is a Toy Story themed bedroom. This is really nice. I really like this. You've got a twirly slide. And look, you even have the barrel of monkeys hanging. That's really fun. And they even have these cutouts so you can, your kids can like put their faces in there and have a fun little photo op. But the other great thing about this room is the string lights light up. That's amazing. We'll exit the Toy Story room and we'll head right back down the hall here, take another right, and go into this room, which is an Avengers themed bedroom. Perfect for the superhero in you. Exiting the Avengers room, we'll come right across to this door and check this out. It's a Pirates of the Caribbean themed room. Look at this, you've got the Kraken over there. That's amazing. And I love this. It looks like pirate flags. That is so cool. And the bed looks like a boat. It's the Black Pearl. And just like so many of these other rooms, things light up. You have stars in the sky, and it looks like around the boat is water. That is just so amazing.
As we leave the pirate bedroom, we come through this Jack and Jill bathroom into our next bedroom, which is an Encanto bedroom. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. We have Maribel over here, and then we even have the candle like in the movie. We have the characters from the movie up above the beds. It looks like the family house.
Wait a minute, where's Bruno?
We don't talk about Bruno. So we're gonna leave the Encanto bedroom, but I had to show you this first. It is the doors that are just like the family member doors in the movie. How cool. So now we're gonna come into another living room, which is a great size for the family. It even has a nice big screen TV so you can watch your shows. And then we're gonna come in to this bedroom. It is Elsa's Frozen Castle. It even has a slide. There's Olaf. If you look on the wall, you have Anna and Elsa just skating. And this room, of course, lights up. You have the icicles all around the room. And the last one, you even have lights under the bed. How awesome.
So we'll exit the frozen room and come right through here by the living room area and head into this bedroom, which is just a nice, beautiful, and comfortable bedroom. This one is perfect. Now that we've shown you some of these amazing bedrooms, let's show you the theater room. So get ready for this theater room because it truly is out of this world. Check this out. This is a Star Wars themed theater room, and it just feels like you're on some sort of a star cruiser. This is so incredible. But if you really want to feel like you're flying around in outer space while watching your favorite Star Wars movie, check that out. If that doesn't make you feel like you're on a star cruiser, I don't know what does. So that's it. We want to thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tour of this lovely home.
We would like to thank Great Escape Villas for letting us come in tonight and show you around. If you would like to stay in the Magical Family Funhouse, all the information will be in the description below.